Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the machine and entering setup. Power the unit on and confirm firmware v3, 2 or higher. This ensures the time function behaves correctly. Once powered, enter the admin code on the top right keypad to unlock configuration. Do this now. Make sure you have a precise clock reference, like your phone or an NTP synced display, showing hours and minutes in 24-hour format. You need these prerequisites combined before changing the machine time to avoid offsets or scheduling errors. Now you proceed to set local time and zone inside the time settings menu. Navigate menu right arrow settings right arrow time and select time zone. Set the offset, for example +02, 00, and enable daylight saving rules if your region uses them. Once the zone is correct, enter the exact from your reference using the keypad and press enter to write it to volatile memory. If the unit uses 12-hour mode, double-check AM versus PM. After doing this, make sure to save to persistent storage so the clock survives a reboot. Finish by saving your changes and rebooting the machine to apply the new clock. After restart, compare the displayed time to your reference. They should match within a few seconds. If you see consistent drift greater than 30 seconds per day, enable NTP synchronization or schedule a daily sync during a low-activity window so processes and logs stay accurate. If the clock resets after power loss, replace the onboard CMOS battery or inspect the backup fuse. Those fixes stop time loss on shutdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.